We are now getting close to the end of the construction of the SpaceshipTwo-ish. In this episode, we're going to sand the fillets around all the pods and along the main tube. And then we're going to fix some of the problems that I discovered earlier. So stay tuned for that.
Welcome to Advanced Construction Videos, where we show you how to tackle rocketry, building techniques, and more. On our website, we sell kits, motors, building supplies, and electronics. So come and learn, shop, build, and fly when you visit us at apogeerockets.com.
Okay, all the epoxy has cured. Everything is nice and hard. I'm really impressed with the strength. It's like rock solid. That is the greatest thing. I'm just kind of looking to see what it looks like when everything is assembled. It'll go on there. Nose cone goes on there. Yeah, that's a nice rocket there. So the next step is to sand all your fillets down, and then give it a coat of primer, and then start sanding that to get a nice smooth surface so you can get the final color on. I find that, having a good set of needle files is the best thing for, getting in here on these fin fillets to sand them down. It's going to take some time. There's a lot of fin fillets on this rocket. So I'm going to be sanding for a while, and then we'll put some primer on it and see what happens next. Okay, at this point I've got my rocket painted, but I've discovered a pretty significant problem and I got to fix it. So I thought I would videotape this so that you could see how to fix the problem. So when I papered these main fins, on these fins right here, I used epoxy. These back here I used regular white glue. The epoxy didn't stick as well as I'd like, and it actually got air bubbles underneath. And it's really hard to see, but I got an air bubble here, here. And structurally, this makes it weaker because you don't have good adhesion between the paper and the wood. So I got to fix it. It's pretty simple to do, although it's going to take a little bit of time. And we'll see after we get it all painted if it looks good. But structurally, we got to fix it. So the technique is to find the air bubble and just come in. And I got a fresh knife, so I got the sharpest point, and I want to cut through the paper. And you can see that I can get my knife underneath like that. You can see that, I lifted it all the way up. But what I want to do is to get some CA glue, and I'm going to be using the thin stuff. And this is water thin. You don't thin it with water, but it's thin like water. You're also going to need a paper bag, because what we're going to do is we're going to put the glue under there and then smash it down with our finger. And the glue won't stick to this, but it will stick to your fingers. So that's why we want to use a piece of plastic. So again, pry it up, get the glue underneath, and then let it come down, and then smash it down. Okay, so I got that one. There's like 3 or 4 of them, like right in a row. There's one there. There's one there. There's a small one there. You got to kind of tilt your rocket so you get a shadow. I got kind of a small one here. I got one here and here. But again, so I'm just going to try to get glue to wick into there. And I don't want too much on the surface, so I'm going to blot it up a little bit. And put that on there and smash it down. Got two right next to each other. Ooh, I just stabbed myself. Be careful with those knives. Yeah, there's a little blood coming out of there on my fingertip. Did you know that super glue was invented as a suturing agent? Don't use thin, use thick, because the thin could get into your blood. But the thick will stay on the outside, and you can actually glue your skin back together or put a Band-Aid on it. But I'm not a medical doctor, so don't listen to me. This one's a little bit bigger, so I want to... So we can get it under this side as well. It's already glued in. Okay, so that's the technique. I'm going to go ahead and fix all these other ones, and then I'll be back in the next video. And so thanks for watching. My name is Tim Van Milligan. This is the Apogee Rocketry Workshop. May the winds be light, may the skies be blue, may all your rockets fly straight and true.